Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Windows 10 settings. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to Update and Security. From the left side, click on Recovery. Now, under Reset this PC, click on the Get Started button. You'll see two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Choose Keep My Files if you want to reset settings without deleting personal data. After that, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your choice. Windows will now begin the reset process. Your PC may restart several times, so just wait until it's complete. Once done, your system settings will be restored to default. And that's it. That's how you can reset settings on your Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.